Is sin of 60 plus 30 the same as sin 60 plus sin 30? No? Let's learn the real rule. Here's the formula. Sin of A plus B equals sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Notice the pattern: sine cosine, cosine sine. For sin A minus B, just flip the middle sign to minus. For cos, it's cos minus sine sine, and cos A minus B flips to plus. Let's verify. Sine 90 equals 1. Using our formula with 60 and 30, we get the same answer. 1. Exam warning. Never just distribute the sin. Students lose marks here every year. Always use the full compound angle formula. Remember, for sine, soccer crazy, cricket smart. Sin cos sin. Keep this trick and you'll never forget. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.